So these are the best codes for Yeet A Friend. Now, in order to redeem codes, you're actually gonna have to go to this spot right here in the codes section. So just simply go here, and now it's going to ask us to enter in the code. I have a list of codes right here, so let's start with the first one, which is supercar in capitalizations. So I'm just gonna type that in. There we go, supercar, and I redeemed it. And now we got 3 wheel spins. So how do we know if that worked? Well, let's just simply go to the wheel, which is right here. And as you can see, I already have 5. So it actually works. The next codes that we're going to use is Valentine, which gives us 3 energy boosts, 3 power boosts, and 3 luck boosts. Olymp gives you 1 mythic slime pet, which is amazing. I Play Every Day gives you a legendary slime pet. Xmas 24, 30,000 stars. Halloween gives you 50,000 stars. Dimension Boost, 2 energy boosts. Reap gives you 10,000 stars. Junk gives 3 power boosts. Aztec gives 3 wheel spins. Magic gives 3 energy boosts. Dimension, 2 power boosts. Collector, 10,000 stars. Star Shopper, 5,000 stars. Free Stars gives you 750 gems, which is kind of ironic because the code says stars and it gives you gems. Free Power gives you 1 power boost. Gifting gives 5 wheel spins. Happy 2024 gives you 50,000 stars. Easy Yeet gives you 2 power boosts. Christmas, 10,000 stars. AFK, 2 luck boosts. Glacier gives you 10,000 stars. Enchanted gives you 5,000 stars. Teleporter gives you 5,000 stars. Yeet Cartoon gives you 2 power boosts. And I Love Yeeting gives you a legendary slime pet. So make sure you use these codes before you run out of time and they expire, because I assure you some of them will. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.